Hello everyone, I am Anjali Gupta. Welcome to Tips News. The CS and IT department of Tips Dwarka successfully hosted an insightful session on role of soft skills and work ethics in career development. The session featured Dr. Guntasha Kaur Tulsi, Assistant Professor at SGTB Khalsa College, Delhi University, who shared the importance of communication, teamwork, and ethical workplace behavior in shaping a successful career. Students and faculty members actively participated in engaging discussions and interactive activities, highlighting the relevance of soft skills alongside technical expertise in today's competitive job market. This session helps students gain a deeper understanding of soft skills, an essential part of their curriculum. Stay tuned for more updates. It's me, Anjali Gupta, signing off with camera person Aditi Sharma. Thank you.